everyone. Myself Aditya Shinde from Guru Govind Singh Polytechnic Nasik. I studied diploma in electrical branch. Subject electrical power transmission. Our topic name is extra high voltage transmission. Guided by Professor Divya Dagate. Prepared by Aditya Shinde, Atharva Satpute, Sanket Patil, and Aniket Ugle. Objectives: introduction, definition, safety precaution, power lines, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. Introduction. The term high voltage characterizes electrical circuits in which the voltage used is cause of particular safety corners insulation requirements.
Definitions. Two factors considering in the classification of a high voltage are the possibility of the causing a spark in the air and the danger of electric shock by contact of proximity. Safety precautions. Voltage of greater than 50 volts applied across dry, unbroken human skins are capable of producing hurt fabrications if they produce electrical current in the body tissues which happen to pass through the chest area. The electrocausation danger is mostly demi- determined by the low electrical conductivity of the dry human skin.
Power lines, electrical transmission and distribution lines for electric power always use voltage significantly higher than 550 volts. So contact with or close approach to the lines conductors presents a danger of electrocution. This is the diagram of electric power lines.
Advantages: reduction in the current, reduction in the losses, reduction in volume of conductor material required, decrease in voltage drop and improvement of voltage regulation, increase in transmission efficiency, increase power handling capacity. Disadvantages: first, corona loss and radio interference. Second, line support. Third, erection difficulties. Fourth, insulation need. Fifth, the cost of transformer, switchgear, equipment, and protective equipment increases with increase in transmission line voltage. Applications: first, in electrical power distribution. Second, in cathode ray tubes to generate X-rays and particle beams to demonstrate arcing for ignition. Third, in photomultiplier tubes and high power amplifier vacuum tubes and other industrial scientific applications.